Hey, Johannes here from Discover My Business. In this video I will show you the second way how to integrate your Google Adwords account with the YouTube channel. Log into your Google Ads account, click Tools, then click Linked Accounts, and scroll down to the YouTube channel, click Details, and you will see over here the YouTube channel. So click plus sign and insert your YouTube channel. So how to find your YouTube channel, go to your YouTube. On the top right side, click My Channels, and that's it. Copy and paste URL. So copy URL and go back, insert URL, and it's automatically detect your YouTube channel. And click Save. That's it. This is how you integrate Google AdWords with your YouTube. Second way. Thank you. If you need help with the setup and management of your sales funnel, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, retargeting, landing page, conversion tracking, and Facebook pixel with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, please click link below, consulting.discovermybusiness.co, and I see you in a free strategy session. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.